guys, this is SJ from SJ Life Adventure. Today again we'll work on the Audi Q5 2015. It's a 2.0 turbo, and the issue related to a previous video where I had a dysfunctionment with a mass airflow sensor code P030X, where we used the cleaner, it just popped back up about 4 months later. So I think instead of doing that back and forth, I will replace it because it's also affecting my miles per gallon, my consumption, gas consumption, and it may affect some other things as well. So anyway, long story short, you will find that different auto car parts provider, local like AutoZone or such, for a price of tax included $127. I found on eBay the same part. We have cars passing by every 2 minutes. I found the same part on eBay for $39, and that's an OEM direct replacement. This is your mass airflow sensor included into that pipe. You see the airflow sensor, you see that on the inside. To replace that part, it will be very easy. You know, you need a flat screwdriver to remove the collar on the boot going out of it from the air filter, and on your side, and 2 screws holding that piece with a T25 torque screw. On your side, on the sensor, of course, you have that connector, 2 clips, and you just pull that out. So let's get to work and replace that. Difficulty rating 1 out of 5. Cost very cheap, about $40.